In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions to your bank with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what file you need, and how to get those transactions into the right bank account inside QuickBooks without headaches. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. From your dashboard, look toward the upper right and click the settings icon, often shown as a small gear. This is your control center for bringing information into QuickBooks. In the menu that opens, choose Import Data. This page is designed to help you bring in different types of information, and for this walkthrough we're focused on bank transactions. On the Import Data screen, select the Bank option. You're simply telling QuickBooks that the type of data you want to bring in is bank activity. This is helpful if your bank doesn't connect automatically, or if you prefer to import from a file you downloaded from your bank's website. Next, click Import. That takes you to the Upload page. Before you drop in a file, make sure you've exported one from your bank and saved it to your computer. QuickBooks typically works best with formats like CSV, QBO, OFX, or QFX. Keep in mind that PDF statements are usually not importable because they're not structured data files, even though they're easy to read. Now drag and drop your bank file into the Upload area or click to browse and select it. QuickBooks will ask you which bank account in your company you want these transactions to go into. Choose the specific account that matches the file you downloaded, such as your checking or savings account, so the activity lands in the right place. If you're prompted to map columns, line up your file's date, description, and amount fields with QuickBooks fields. Make sure the date format matches what your file uses, watch out for negative amounts for expenses, and confirm the currency is correct. If your CSV has extra headers or unused columns, remove them before importing to reduce errors. It's also smart to avoid overlapping date ranges with transactions you've already brought in, which helps prevent duplicates. QuickBooks will show you a preview of what's coming in so you can review the details and confirm. Once you proceed, the transactions will be added and ready for you to review and categorize. That's it. If anything doesn't upload, double-check the file format and column mapping, then try again. Keep a copy of the original file as a backup. With these steps, your bank transactions are safely inside QuickBooks and ready for reconciliation.